treasure a coordinate grid game. So we're going to take a look at some vocabulary that you need to know for this lesson. This should all be available to you on the website as well as the video. We need to talk about a coordinate grid. And so coordinate grid is the name of this plane that extends. It's formed by two lines called axes, and so you can see that this one that goes vertically is labeled with Y. It's the y-axis. We also have the x-axis. And where those lines intersect at 0, 0, we call that the origin. So if we take a look, this point, 0 on the y and 0 on the x, that is the origin on our coordinate grid. We often see things called ordered number pairs, and we plot those on our coordinate grid, plot our ordered pairs on both the vertical axis, using the vertical axis, and the horizontal. What's important to remember for this, what I've always remembered when learning about plotting ordered pairs on a coordinate grid, is you always run before you jump. And so let's take a look at some ordered pairs and how you would put these on the coordinate grid. So if I were to start with an ordered pair, 2, 3, and when you see these, you'll notice that they are in parentheses, and you have a first number and then a comma and a second number. Your first number is your x-axis. Okay, so if I wanted to, I could come over and just put a little x under here. So we have x and then y for our ordered pair. So when I said you always run before you jump, what I mean by that is we have to go 2 on the x-axis first. So we run 2, and then our second number in the ordered pair, our y, is 3. So then we jump 3. And where the 2 and the 3 meet, that's where we would plot our point. If we were to do another one, let's say 7, 5, again, we would take a look at our ordered pair. We know the first number is the x, so we run 7, and we jump 5. So over 7, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can see that's where we meet the 5 and the 7. That's where we would plot that point, right in that intersection of those two numbers. If you were to have the ordered pair 0, 8, this time, I'm not going to run very far, not very far at all. I always start at 0, and this time I'm running 0, staying right here, but I'm going up, jumping 8. And so this time, my point actually lands on this y-axis. So those are some vocabulary words you need to know. That's a quick example of how you will plot ordered pairs. You have an activity in your math journal to do with this, and then you'll continue to practice putting ordered pairs on the coordinate grid on your homework tonight. Good luck.